The newly released Govee Ceiling Light Pro 18-inch. Is it simply a bigger circle, or did Govee make real improvements? Let's find out. Welcome to the garage at the 608. So as I showed you in the last video, I lived with the 15-inch Ceiling Light Pro for the last year, and it's pretty fantastic. So today, together, we find out, is this new 18-inch Ceiling Light Pro actually a better version, or did Govee simply make a bigger circle? Garages are weird spaces for lighting. Too harsh, it feels sterile. Too dim, it's useless. So this is actually the perfect place to see if this bigger light makes a difference. This is my real garage, not a studio. We park our cars here, I do projects, and I test smart lighting. This here is a sample that Govee sent me to review. Let's unbox it, see what's inside. Then I'm going to take down the middle light here in the garage and install this one. Then we're going to start testing it. First nice upgrade I've seen. Install with this text facing you in the correct orientation. This way the app's controls will match the light's directions in DIY modes. So in previous models, you had to kind of guess. Don't take this off till you're done. Looks like everything's nicely packaged in the back. This is the installed bracket. Looks like my Ziploc bag opened in shipping, so all the screws and anchors and wire nuts are loose. We have your little app card, quick start guide, user manual. This is a 2-wire install, so there's no ground wire. So it comes with everything you need to install. Wire nuts if you choose to use those, Wagyu style clips, screws for the anchors, and the anchors themselves. All right, another nice feature I see, once you have the bracket on, this is a hanger to hold the lamp so you can handle the wires. This was not on the 15-inch Ceiling Light Pro. And here's the Matter barcode, so it does have Matter. So these garage lights have been nice, but they're only about 2,300 lumens, and they're on or off. No dimming, no colors, no warmth changes. They do have a feature to make it a night light, where it's just a warm white ring around the top. And that's just by flipping the switch quickly. These aren't smart lights. Now to turn off the power, take the wires down, the bracket, and we'll get the new light up. So here I'm just removing the anchors, filling the holes with spackle, adding some texture, then I'll paint, because details matter. The overall installation is quite simple. If you've ever hung a flush mount ceiling light, it's no different than any other. Let's add the product. So here we are, directly underneath the light with my little portable workbench. It's bright enough, but again, there's some shadows, especially over here. It gets a little darker. The floor you can see is dark. And this has this one on and the other one. All three are on one switch. Let's see what it does with the 18-inch Pro. Alexa, turn on ceiling light 18. So as we can see, one, it's a smart light, so I can tell it to go on or off. And this is very bright. It seems to do a nice even light. Again, these are off as best they can be in their nighttime mode. But this is definitely a light you could work under. This is at 100%, 6,500 Kelvin. Alexa, turn the ceiling light 18 off. Again, can't beat that smart lighting. We have colors, scenes. So this is the old AI. This is when I knew this light had something special. So, is this actually better than the original? I can answer, it's brighter. It's definitely larger physically. I'm a little bummed that it doesn't have the new AI bot. The general animations are just as good as the original Ceiling Light Pro, but the layout of the LEDs on this light in a grid pattern versus the concentric circles of the original light is what truly makes this new 18-inch Ceiling Light Pro stand out. You are seeing this correctly. 200 individual LEDs allow moving images on the Ceiling Light Pro. Another important question, who shouldn't buy this light? And that's always a tough one. But I will say, if you already have the 15-inch Pro and you have a small room or it's in your bathroom, I probably wouldn't take it down and spend the extra money for this. But in your living room, here in a garage, a shop, a dining room, I really think this light is worth it. So this 18-inch Ceiling Light Pro definitely changed the garage here at the 608. But was it enough to win a spot permanently here in this garage? Next episode, we test the Ceiling Light Ultra that I've already had for 6 months. Then in episode 4, all three here in this garage, tested side by side. One will be a victor. Until today, I thought I knew who that was going to be. Now, I'm not so sure.